Hello and welcome everyone! In the previous tutorial, we create the collision effect, the impact on the water with the sphere. In this tutorial, we are going to make a secondary wave, and I will also show you how to create your project folder, because we will need it in the following tutorials. So, let's get started. Okay, so all you need to do is go to the first frame, but before we start, I just want to say I'm spending a lot of time on this course. So if you can like the video and subscribe to the channel, that will really help. You can also click on the super thanks button if these videos are helping you. First of all, I already have a project folder, but to create one for yourself, you need to go to the file and click on project window. Once you do that, click on the new button. You can give your project any name you like, for example boss folder or boss Maya. The name isn't important. It is just for you to find it later on. Then select a location. I'm going to save mine inside the Autodesk Maya directory, but you can click on the folder icon to choose where to save it. Once you do that, do not touch any of the default folders or rename them. Keep them as they are and click accept. This will save the project folder with lots of subfolders, which is really useful when working in Maya. After you click accept, you should now have your project folder created. Just keep that in mind. Now, what I want to show you today is how to create a secondary wave. Make sure you are on the Effects tab again, go under Boss, and open the Boss editor. The animation we currently have looks like this. But what I want to do is add a secondary wave. If you click on the spectral wave icon again, we will be creating another wave. For the secondary one, I'm going to change the wave height to 1.4, and then I will adjust the wind speed to make it a bit stronger. Let's try 8 first. Maybe we can go back to 6. For the wind direction, I will change it to maybe 45 or 90 degrees. So it is coming from a different angle. Now let's press play to see it. Okay, let's click on the secondary wave again and change the wave height to 1.2 instead. I will keep it like this, but again, you can experiment with the settings to see what kind of result you get. In the next tutorial, we will be creating foam. I will show you how to make a foam effect on the water. But for now, this works really well. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click on the subscribe button, and you can also thank me by clicking the super thanks button. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next one.